for the first time, as soon as they come to the backyard, especially in the evening when the lights are on and the fireplace is on, they like take a step back, say, whoa, you got a nice yard. One day my wife and I were sitting out here having some coffee in the morning, and we were looking out towards just an empty hill. I said, you know, that's a lot of square footage up there that isn't getting used. And she's like, well, do you have anything in mind? And I said, yes, hold on one second. So I ran inside real quick, grabbed a piece of paper and a pencil, came back out, and in a matter of about 5 minutes, I sketched out a little drawing for her. And I said, this is probably what I have in mind here.
Rob came in with a sketch on a piece of paper, and it was like really rough. But what was great, because it gave us an idea of what he wanted to accomplish. We were able to direct him in the right direction, give him a couple choices on what walls to use, what stone veneer he could use.
Veneer stone, I think, is my favorite. If I had a chance, I'd probably veneer stone my room if my wife didn't put the stop on that. So.
And from there, we helped him out with some installation videos and I believe some contractor referrals to get an initial quote before he started the project himself.
This entire project from start to finish took about a year and 2 months.
I would have expected Robert to maybe hire a contractor because that is an incredible job. I mean, he did an amazing job.
Well, my crew was basically a crew of one, and mostly my nephew, my sons would come around, and the way I'd get these guys to come over, I'd say, hey, I'm throwing a barbecue this weekend, come on over. And they didn't know that I had shovels waiting for them so they can help me actually dig it out and stuff. I told them I'd feed them afterwards, but you know, they had to do a little work first and stuff, so. I would recommend a lot of planning, preparation, really talking to skilled workers that know how to do this type of work before you even lay the first stone. RCP Block and Brick has a lot of useful information, whether it's on their web or just talking to the guys over there. They're more than happy to talk to you about any kind of design or any kind of wall or something that you're wanting to build.